Look up at the night sky. It seems peaceful, quiet, almost empty. But that is the greatest illusion humanity has ever believed. Beyond the thin, fragile atmosphere of our blue world, a theater of unimaginable power and ancient forces is unfolding every single second. The observable universe stretches over 93 billion light-years in diameter, filled with phenomena that can consume entire star systems, crush matter into unrecognizable states, and voids so deep and vast they challenge our very understanding of reality. Today we are leaving Earth behind. We will journey into the deep dark to witness 10 of the absolute, rawest, most awe-inspiring structures of the cosmos. We begin our cosmic journey relatively close to home, within our own solar neighborhood, with a storm of titanic proportions. This is Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It is a persistent, high-pressure region in the atmosphere of Jupiter, producing an anticyclonic storm that has been raging furiously for at least 350 years, though some astronomers believe it could be much older. To truly understand its scale, you must completely abandon earthly comparisons. This single storm is roughly 16,350 kilometers wide. It is large enough to swallow the entire planet Earth whole, with room to spare. Winds on the outer edge of this monstrous storm roar at speeds exceeding 430 kilometers per hour. It is a breathtaking masterpiece of fluid dynamics, a localized engine of eternal chaos. Leaving our solar system behind, we find worlds that completely defy human imagination. Meet 55 Cancri E, an exoplanet located roughly 40 light-years away from Earth. This is a world twice the size of our home planet, but nearly 8 times as massive. What makes it mind-bending is its suspected composition. Astronomers believe a significant portion of this planet is made entirely of highly compressed carbon, effectively forming a planetary-sized diamond floating in space. It orbits so intimately close to its parent star that its surface temperature reaches a scorching 2,400 degrees Celsius, completely melting one side into a glowing, flowing ocean of liquid carbon and lava. Venturing deeper into the Milky Way, we encounter stellar corpses that completely defy the laws of ordinary matter. Welcome to the dense, terrifying realm of neutron stars. When a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, its core collapses inward under its own overwhelming gravity, triggering a magnificent supernova explosion. What remains behind is a core compressed into a perfect sphere just 20 kilometers across, yet it contains more mass than our entire Sunday. The density is incomprehensible. A single, sugar cube-sized amount of this material would weigh over 1 billion tons on Earth. As they collapse, these stars spin wildly out of control, some up to 716 times per second, unleashing twin beams of radiation like flawless cosmic lighthouses. Amidst the destruction of dying stars, there are also breathtaking nurseries of life. Behold, the pillars of creation, located within the Eagle Nebula, about 6,500 light-years away from us. These towering, majestic tendrils of interstellar gas and dust stretch across 4 to 5 light-years of space. They are vast, cosmic incubators. Deep inside, these dense clouds, invisible to the naked eye pockets of gas, are slowly collapsing under their own gravity to form brand new stars. Ultraviolet light from nearby massive young stars constantly shapes, illuminates, and erodes these pillars, creating a magnificent, ever-evolving sculpture of cosmic dust. Sometimes, as we gaze into the deep dark, the universe seems to look right back at us. This is the Helix Nebula, famously known by astronomers as the Eye of God. Located 700 light-years from Earth, it is a spectacular planetary nebula formed by a dying sun-like star. As the star exhausted its nuclear fuel, it expelled its outer layers into space, creating an intricate, expanding web of glowing gas. The intensely hot core left behind illuminates the expelled material, making it shine in breathtaking, ethereal shades of blue and red. It is a stunning, quiet preview of our own sun's ultimate fate, billions of years from now. Not all cosmic giants are blazing stars or dark black holes. Silently approaching our Milky Way is a colossal, high-velocity mass of hydrogen gas, known as Smith's Cloud. This invisible behemoth is approximately 11,000 light-years long and 2,500 light-years wide. It is hurtling toward the disk of our galaxy at a staggering speed of 700,000 miles per hour. When it eventually collides with the Milky Way in about 30 million years, it will not destroy us, but rather ignite a spectacular burst of star formation, providing enough raw cosmic gas to create over 2 million massive new stars in our galactic neighborhood. Now, we must leave the safety of our galaxy and approach the true, undisputed titans of the cosmic abyss. Behold, Ton 6181 of the most massive black holes humanity has ever discovered. Located a staggering 10.4 billion light-years away from Earth, this monster sits at the center of an incredibly bright quasar. It contains an unbelievable 66 billion times the mass of our Sunday. Its event horizon is so vast that it would easily swallow our entire solar system dozens of times over. The accretion disk of superheated gas swirling around it shines with the luminosity of 140 trillion suns, making it one of the brightest single objects in the known universe. Yet, as we observe the grand scale of the universe, we realize that the most intimidating features of the cosmos might not be what is there, but rather what is missing. Enter the eerie desolation of the Boat's void. Imagine a roughly spherical region of space, so unimaginably desolate and empty that it spans nearly 330 million light-years in diameter. In a typical region of space, this size, astronomers would expect to find at least 10,000 distinct galaxies. Instead, within its shadowy depths, we have found only about 60. The distances between the few isolated galaxies are so immense that any civilization living there would believe they were entirely alone in the universe. Standing in stark contrast to the vast emptiness are structures of incomprehensible scale and density. The Sloan Great Wall is a giant wall of galaxies, forming one of the largest known structures in the observable universe. Measuring over 1.37 billion light-years in length, it is a massive interconnected filament of dark matter and galaxies, bound together by an ancient gravitational pull. It is so impossibly large that it challenges standard cosmological models of how the universe evolved. Structures like this reveal a profound truth: galaxies are not randomly scattered, but meticulously arranged in a massive, glowing cosmic web. Finally, we zoom out as far as our scientific mapping allows to see our true place in the grand tapestry of existence. This is the Laniakea supercluster. It is not a single solid object, but a majestic, branching web of galaxies flowing continuously along invisible threads of gravity. Spanning an incredible 520 million light-years across, it contains approximately 100,000 galaxies. And somewhere within one of its minor outer branches, on a tiny speck of dust, sits our Milky Way. All the galaxies within it are drifting like water in a cosmic watershed toward a mysterious focal point known as the Great Attractor. It is a breathtaking, flowing structure of cosmic majesty. The universe is not just an empty void of darkness. It is a living, breathing canvas of immense power, ancient mysteries, and spectacular, often frightening beauty. We are merely at the dawn of our exploration, standing on the shores of a vast cosmic ocean. The structures we see out there remind us of our fragility, but also of the incredible power of the human mind to understand them. If this journey through the cosmos expanded your perspective, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below telling us which cosmic structure fascinated you the most, and share this video with your fellow space explorers. The universe is always waiting. We will see you in the next grand adventure into the unknown.